go around the neck. It's got a snap and an adjustable ring.
Let me see the ring. Yeah. Okay, there we go.
Some of the neck ropes have an extra snap with an adjustable snap, and you snap that at the bottom of your halter. Now if your horse tears back, it'll pull on the halter first. If that breaks, you still have them on your neck. And if you take your halter off to bridle your horse can't go nowhere because you're still around the neck. Now see, this is not tight, so I'm not hurting the horse, or it's an interlock, so you can't pull tight or choke your horse, but at least your horse can't run off when you're bridling it. And I do this to all my horses. It don't matter if it's the best broke horse in the world or if it's a 2-year-old. So it teaches the horse to always stand until you're ready to go, and this is the last thing I take off, whether you're harnessing, driving, or saddle horses.